Of all the safety features in your vehicle, there are few more important than your windshield. That's right, your windshield is an important safety feature. Often overlooked, the windshield protects its passengers from wind, rain, and road debris. Most people don't know that it also prevents occupant ejection during a crash, roof crush in the event of a rollover, and acts as a backboard for passenger side airbag deployment. Awareness of windshield safety has grown over the years. Carl Jolliffe, a glass shop owner in Peoria, Illinois, was concerned that the glass industry was largely unregulated and had no definitive standards for the safe and proper installation of auto glass. More than a decade ago, Mr. Jolliffe spearheaded the formation of an organization made up of windshield manufacturers, car makers, adhesive companies, and auto glass retailers with the goal of defining auto glass safety. This group began the process of establishing a safety standard in the auto glass industry. By 1999, the AGRESS standard, which stands for the Auto Glass Replacement Safety Standard, had been developed in partnership with the American National Standards Institute. The Auto Glass Safety Council was formed, developed a mission statement, and published its first standard. Since that time, the Auto Glass Safety Council and many safety-conscious auto glass retailers have voluntarily agreed to follow the AGRESS standard, giving the consumer an increased level of safety. Prior to AGSC, the auto glass replacement industry had no standard for windshield installation. There was no consensus in the industry regarding proper installation methods. Unfortunately, this resulted in lives lost and serious injuries that could have been prevented. The lack of responsibility for providing a proper windshield replacement has also exposed many auto glass shops and their insurance providers to legal actions from unsuspecting automobile passengers who thought their glass replacement was performed correctly and safely. With thousands of auto glass installers and many different choices of adhesives, the industry needed a standard. The Auto Glass Safety Council provides that standard for auto glass retailers to follow to make sure all precautions are taken to ensure driver and passenger safety. Proper windshield installation is essential to the government's Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards, or FMVSS. If the windshield is not properly installed at the time of replacement, the vehicle may fail FMVSS 208, 212, or 216. FMVSS 208 requires auto glass replacements to maintain adhesion to the vehicle in the event of an accident to prevent occupant ejection. FMVSS 212 mandates that the windshield must remain attached to the vehicle in the event of a front-end collision so that the passenger side airbag will work properly. And finally, FMVSS 216 explains that the windshield prevents roof crush in the event of a vehicle rollover. The AGRESS standard addresses 6 critical areas relative to the installation process, including vehicle assessment, selection of glass and retention systems, installation standards for adhesive bonded glass, installation standards for rubber gasket set glass, as well as additional requirements for all other glass in a vehicle, and continuing education for auto glass technicians. In an effort to increase consumer safety further, the Auto Glass Safety Council added an additional requirement of its members. Random, independent, third-party audits are conducted on a regular basis. These are extensive on-site audits and validate the commitment by each member to follow the standard. All AGSC registered member companies must undergo these periodic safety audits. The Auto Glass Safety Council also administers a technician certification program to provide comprehensive testing for auto glass technicians. This provides further assurance that every auto glass technician that passes the Auto Glass Safety Council certification process has the skills and knowledge to do the job right. The Technician Certification Program accredits technicians. The Registered Member Company Program accredits and audits companies.
Here's what you can do. Consumers can visit safewindshields.org to locate the Auto Glass Safety Council registered auto glass retailer in their area. Not all glass shops currently follow the AGRESS standard or are members of the Auto Glass Safety Council, so make sure you go with an auto glass shop that is publicly committed to keeping their customers safe and is an AGSC registered member company shown on safewindshields.org. For more information on this vital standard, visit agsc.org or safewindshields.org to find an approved Auto Glass Safety Council retailer near you. You'll never look through a windshield the same way again.